Welcome everybody to our graduation for our preschool class this year. I just wanted to say that now the school year's over, unfortunately, and we have to say goodbye. And we have to say goodbye and good luck to some of these great students. We're going to miss them so much. We just wanted to wish them good luck. Some of these guys I've known since they were in diapers and we first opened. Some of them I just known for a couple of weeks. But either way, I love them all. We're going to miss them so much. It's been so rewarding to be able to teach them and watch them learn and grow. They have learned so much. They now know their letters, their sounds, their numbers. They can write their names. They're more than ready for kindergarten, every single one of them. We just wanted to wish them good luck, and we'll miss them very much in kindergarten.
Mommy. Yep, hold on. She got finished what she's doing.
What's it? I want to eat, Mama.
I know you do.
Serenity Rivera. Happy birthday. Allison Metz. Okay, Avery Horan.
Hooray!
I want to eat, Mommy.
So yay, hooray!
Abe.
I want to eat.
Eco de Nord.
Yay!
I want to eat.
Yeah, soon.
I want her.
Yeah, hold on. She got finished. She got to sing a song.
Green Compagna Jr.
Ah.
Deanna Ryan. And Victoria Vidal. Picture?
Graduation day is here. We have fun.
Hooray! I know you do, baby.
Okay, so I also want to acknowledge that it's going to be Father's Day on Sunday, and therefore we do have a special treat planned. Your children will be bringing you out some ice cream sundaes in a few minutes. In the meantime, mingle with our new graduates.